Okay, next up is Rob Stevens.
There you go, sir.
Now, you might be wondering why this is covered. It's a mystery. And it's a mystery that I think I haven't solved. It's seeing that, I might have another solution for the problem, but this is what you do with scrap.
Oh,
And it's called Himalaya. And I was in Nepal in 1980, and I just read another book about a voyage, a traveler's trip there, and was thinking about the Himalayas. It's maple on some kind of birch wood.
how'd you finish it, Rob?
Spray Rust-Oleum, because a friend of mine's business went out at last meeting. I brought a couple boxes of stuff, and I got 2 big bags full of spray cans, so I just used some of them.
How do you keep the nozzle from clogging up? On your spray can?
Well, I clear it when I'm done by turning it upside down.
Works, eh?
Yeah. Rust-Oleum, some of the new spray cans say they'll do 2 times the volume, and I find when you turn it upside down to clear it, they take a lot longer to clear. I'm not sure what they've done inside the can.
I have a little container of lacquer thinners, and I always take the knobs out of the spray can and throw them in there, and then I try to get the same one back on the can the next job, but it doesn't matter.
I guess they're a universal size, though,
They're-
right?
That's right.
The bottom
And,
two.
I've actually gone through 4 nozzles to get a spray pattern that was consistent, but at least I'm not throwing the can out half full.
Yeah. Who's number 8, Bob?